All right, welcome to class 7 and beyond of the Transformation Project. We're also going to go over class it's due, meaning the class your project is due. So for class 7, which is today, you're going to review the rubric at the start of class. Make sure that you ask other students what they think of your work, what can be improved. And again, this is not to hurt anyone's feelings, but you always want to work to get better. Continue working on your piece until it's complete. Once you finish, make sure you sign your piece in the bottom right-hand corner with the year and turn it in however your teacher has decided this process will take place, whether it's in person or in Canvas. The class it's due. Now it's time to take your artwork and the picture of the real person and combine them into one image. I created a video below showing you the exact process. You have to watch all the way to the end or it doesn't work. So you have to make sure when you get to the end, when you're saving, that you don't save it as a PowerPoint presentation. If you do that, it's not going to work. So make sure you watch to the end. You can do it as a class if you like. You can kind of go step by step. Your teacher can show the video and pause as you do those steps. It's really not hard at all. I also say, do it this way so you have it, but if you want to do it another way, if you have an app on your phone or something you want to use, as long as your teacher is okay with you doing that, I feel like that would be fine as well. But this video right here shows you start to finish, and you can see the two pieces are in there that I showed you as examples of how I did this. So what we're going to do, just to give you a visual, I'll kind of scroll back up here. As you see in Robert D. Hayes' style, where he has the cartoon and he has the real person. So because we're emulating, his style or whatever cartoon style you're doing and kind of this process that he did, I'm asking you to add these two pictures together so we can see them. Especially like if you didn't do a celebrity, you want to make sure that people can see, oh yeah, you did do a good job on this. If you say, oh, I drew my mom as a Boondocks character, but no one's ever seen your mom, then they might say, well, it looks good. I don't know what she looks like, but it looks okay. So that's the idea of what you want to get when you get done with this. So again, you can do this as a class or you can do it individually depending on how your teacher tells you to do it. But this video literally will walk you through step by step. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, or you'll upload it and say, well, I tried and it didn't work, because it won't unless you watch all the way to the end. All right, so I wanted to show you some other things in here. If you haven't already seen them, all these other videos, hopefully your teacher's been showing you these, a couple here and there, just to give you an idea of how to do some things. And then there's some extras, a little written process. This is called the Andrew Loomis method. This is really good if you're just creating characters from scratch. Whether they're realistic or cartoons, it just gives you an idea of facial features, like where they would go, head shapes, when they're looking in different directions, those kind of things. So I put that in there to help. And this is just kind of showing how that works. And I did this portrait right here using the Andrew Loomis method, so you can see that it does work. And you can see it also works with animals. And I added some eyes if you wanted to do some different cartoon eyes on your piece. All right, I'm super excited to see some of these finished. Let me know if you have questions. Your teacher can contact me or ask your teacher. I'm sure they know the answers. Good luck.